Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be looking about Python dictionaries, and let's create a Python dictionary first. So Python dictionary is a data structure that can hold key value pairs. So this can be very useful when we want to get data with a known key. So this is how we create a Python dictionary. So here we start with curly brackets, and next what we do is we put the name of the key within inverted commas, let's say name, and next we need to give the value. So value is separated by this colon, and next we can give a value. So in this case name will be also text. So here I will write my name, and this is how we create a key value pair. So at the end you do not need a comma, because this is the only key value pair which is inside this dictionary. So next what we can do is we can print this dictionary. So we can use the print statement, and inside this I can call this data structure directly. So here I am calling the dictionary, and if I run this now, you can see the result being printed. And also let's check the type of this data structure. So you can use the type, and here we will pass again the data structure, and next I will execute the command again, and here you can see class, and it is of the type dictionary. So let's also add a few more key value pairs, and let's also add age. And in the case of age, this will be a number, so you can input the numbers, let's say 27, and here note that we have added a comma because we have another key value pair. So now if I run the code, you can see the same results, but this time we have another key value pair, and the name of the key is age, and name of the the name of the key is age, and its value is 27. And also what we can do next is like we can also get the length of this dictionary. So here I will show you that. So print let's say length of the dict, let's say, and also I will separate this by a comma, and let's use the len function, len, and here I will pass dict. Let's see what happens when we do this. So add a space here so that it's clear now. And next you have length of the dictionary as 2, because it has 2 keys. So here it counts the number of key value pairs by the len function. So this is how we get the type, and also we can filter out results from this dictionary. So how can we do this? To filter out results, we can use the name of the key. So suppose I want to find the name out of this dictionary, so you can put square brackets, and inside this one you need to give the proper key. So dict name will be my key. So to view the result, I will incorporate this within the print statement, and then we can see the result. So let me run this. Accidentally I messed this up. So okay, now we have the result, and it shows Sandul. And let me also change the key to age and run the command again, and next time you will see the age. So now it prints 27. In this way it's very easy for us to filter out results from a dictionary. So it's very handy in this form, because it's very easy to find the results stored in a dictionary. And next what we can do is like we will try to also put a key which is not present in this dictionary, and see what happens. So let's say name, age, and let's say job, and if I run this now, what will happen? It says key error, because there's no key called job available inside this data structure. So we can't use this kind of thing. And one more important thing is like we can also add other data structures. So let's say uh, something like some kind of thing, cars owned, let's say it's also a key, and cars on will be a list. So here I'm creating a list. Toyota Prius, I don't know exactly, but Toyota Prius, it's a Honda Civic, Honda. Okay, we have this thing, and next we will change this key to cars. Let me put this as cars on. I meant cars on, but there was a typing mistake, and cars on will be a list. So let me run this again. Oh, now what? And here we need a comma. Okay, I am running the command again, and here you can see the list of cars on. So in this way it can be very powerful. We can incorporate different data structures within the dictionary as well. So okay, here I want to mention something. Dictionaries are ordered starting from Python 3.7. So here I am using, let's check my Python version. So how can I check my Python version? I need the terminal, and inside this I can write Python then dash version, and I will check my Python version. So in this case I am using Python 3.11.3.11.6, right? 3.11.6. okay, and it means that starting from Python 3.7 the dictionaries are ordered. It means that the data appears in the same order as we have created. So it means that if we print the dictionary, it will be in the same order. So let's run this command again, and here you can see that it starts from name, and the order is maintained within the dictionary. So that's the meaning of the order. So Python, starting from Python 3.7, the order of the dictionary is maintained. So there's no problem for you to use the order of the dictionary. One more important thing is that we cannot duplicate keys inside a dictionary, so it will be replaced by the latest version. So let's put the key as name again, and here I will put a different name. Let's say Sampath, which is my middle name. So after doing this one, if we print out the key name, for easy reference I will use name, and here I will call dict, and inside this I will use the key as name. So in this case it should print Sampath, because earlier key value pair will be replaced by the newer. So let's try to run this, and okay, we need a comma here. That's that error. Okay, that's no problem. So here we have the name as Sampath, and also you can see that here also it only shows one name. So that means that we cannot duplicate a key value pair. We cannot have the same key twice within a dictionary. It will be always replaced by the latest one. Okay, let's also look at one more way to create a dictionary. So here I will clear this code, and next I will start writing my new way of defining a dictionary. So we can use the dictionary constructor to do this task. So let's say my data is equal to, we can write dict, and this calls the constructor, and here we can give the parameters. So here what we can do is we can put name, and we can say equal Sandun. I think we do not need inverted commas. So this is a dictionary, so we have created it. So let's try to print this my data, and let me run this. So here again it created, and note that the name key will have these inverted commas, which denotes that it is a key is of the type string anyway. So let's also check the type of this dictionary. So to check the type, we can use a type function, and next we can pass my data and run this thing again, and here you can see that the results are as expected, and it says it is of the class dict. So here we are calling the constructor. So this is one way. So you can also increase the number of key value pairs. So say age, age is equal to, you can type 27. So if I run this again now, it will have two key value pairs, so name and age. It's of the class dictionary. So this is also one way to create dictionaries in Python. Okay, now that you have learned about this data structure, let me go back by putting Control Z and try to get back my previously created dictionary. And here I am going to show you, we already did this, but I will recap how we can access the dictionary. So we access a dictionary using its keys. So let's say extracted name is equal to, we are going to extract the name out of this dictionary. So here we are passing the key called name, and also we will extract the date, age, extracted name, not name, this time it will be age. So here and we will pass age. Okay, and let me also print this statement. So you can use a print statement. Name is going to be extracted name, and age is going to be, let me put these spaces again, it will look nice, and age be extracted age. Okay, this is how we access the members inside a dictionary. So this should give name Sampath, age 27. So in this way we learned how to access the members of the dictionary. Next I want to show you a way to access this dictionary in another form. So you can use the get function as well. So let's say name from the dictionary, you can put any variable in that, doesn't matter. So you can type the name of the dictionary dict, and next we can use the get function. So here you need to pass the key again. So here in this case it will be name. So you can print this thing. Let me use a f formatted string here, name. Let's say we will put the variable, and for the variable we are going to put name from. Okay, now this is not a must, I just wanted you to know that we can also use formatted type strings. So let me run this, and here as expected we have name, which is Sampath. So if you are not familiar with formatted strings, no problem, you can use it directly as a normal variable as well, there's no problem regarding that. So in this way we managed to access the members from the dictionary. So let's also access one more, dot get. So it will give the same result. So here age, so let me also show that age 2 is equal to, as previously did, we can also access this one using this way. And if I print, both should be the same, age comma age 2, so it will be the exact same result. So if me run this, so it's printing 27 and 27, which means that it's the same. So you can access the members by using this method. And also let's also see a way to get the list of keys. So what are the keys? Name is a key, age is a key, car owned is a key, and again we have name. So the letter name will be the most updated one. So anyway, let me clear this one to avoid confusion. And next I want to get a list of keys. Let's say list of keys, it gives us the list of keys. How to get this? I think keys, right? So yes, okay, when we do this function from the dictionary class will return us a list of keys. What are the list of keys? These ones, right? So you can either go here and look into this thing, so doesn't matter. Okay, in this way we can get that. So let me print the list of keys also. Okay, I will print it and run the command, and here you can see it gives this object which is dict keys. So let us also check this type. It should be a list, but I'm not exactly sure. It seems to be a little different. So I wonder whether this is a set or something. But let's also try to check the type. So list of keys, and let me run this again. Yeah, it's from a different class. It's from a class called the keys, but it will function similar to a normal list. So let's try to, so this is the key, so let's try to get the first member of this list of keys. So if this is a proper list, we should be able to access its members using the index. So the first index should give us name. So let's try this one. It's not going to support because it is different, and it's of a different data type, so we can't do this. But I think we can use this to iterate. So it's a different type of object, so we can't use that as a normal list anyway. So that much you should keep in mind. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is, let's look at how we can uh, add a key value pair to this dictionary. So you can do this by the following format. So you can call dict, and here you can give the name of the key. So let's say what do you say, gender. Okay, gender, I think. Next I can give the value. So here it's male, so in this way we can do this one. Why is it getting okay? So anyway, we managed to add another key value pair by following this structure. So now let me print the dictionary. So it should also contain the key called gender this time, and I will run this. So here at the end you can see a key called gender was also added. So in this way you can add keys to an existing dictionary by using this format. Next, let's also look at how we can update the value of a key. So here we have gender, which is male, and next I will try to update this one. How can I update? I am using dict. Here I will use the same key gender, and this time I will update its value as female. So next, if I print the dictionary again, we might see the updated result. So first it prints as male, next it prints as female. So you can update anything. So let's say instead of the gender, let's update cars on, and here we need to provide a list. So let's say this time we have no cars, so it's an empty list. And if I run this one, you can see that first we had these cars, but now we have none. So in this way, by using the key, we can either add key value pairs or replace the value of an existing key. And also sometimes we might want to update several key value pairs at once. So in that case we can use a method called update. So you can call the update method of the dictionary. So here we need to provide another dictionary in order to update the key value pairs. So let's say I want to update my name, and the name, let's say this time we are putting Sampath, and also I will update my age as well. Let's say age, this time age will be 28. So here we are passing another dictionary to make it clear. So now as we are updating this dictionary, let's also print the dictionary after the update. So Sadun should be Sampath, and also the age should be 28 if this works properly. So here I will call the data structure, and next I will run this, and here can you see name was changed to Sampath and the age was changed to 28. So if we provide an empty dictionary in this way, what will happen? Nothing will happen, right? There's no way to update because the fields are empty. So here it remains the same as the original. So in this way we can use the update method on the dictionary to change multiple key value pairs. We will also look at how we can add another key, because I want to show you something. So let me just add something called favorite color. So let's say favorite color is equal to blue, and next I will print this dictionary and let me run this. So after running this one, you can see that favorite color appears as blue. And also uh, this is one way of doing this thing, but as mentioned earlier, we can also use the update method. So dot update, and here what we can do is, here we can pass another dictionary type structure. So here you can say favorite color, and you can pass either one or many key value pairs. See here I'm just passing one single key value pairs. If you have more, you can do that by separating it with a comma and passing it here. So let me run this again, just to make it show blue instead of blue. This time I will put light blue. Let me run this. So now as you can see, light blue also got added under the favorite color key. So in this way we can update the structure by using the update function on this data structure. Until now we learned how to add key value pairs and replace their values, but sometimes you might want to remove a certain key value pair. So let's see how we can do this. To do this we have to use the pop method. So here we are using the pop method. So pop method, here we have to pass a key to be popped. So I wonder whether this is also okay. So let's remove my name. So here I am going to remove the name, and next I will first print this data structure, so dictionary, and also I will print it again after popping the name to make sure that you can see the result. So here on the next I will run this. So first you can see that the name appears in the first print statement, but after we remove the name, it's no longer available. And I wonder whether we can just do pop. I know that there is pop items method, so I will also go through that. Anyway, let's see whether this is going to be no. So it at least need one argument, so you can't pop the last item by using this one. To pop the last item we have a separate method. So let's see. So in the dictionary you have these key value pairs, and they are logically ordered starting from Python 3.7. So as it is logically ordered, we can pop the last item that which was added to the dictionary. So let's print this dictionary first, and next we will add an item. So in order to add this an item, I will use the update method to make sure it is a kind of a practice to you. So here update, and here we need to pass its form as a dictionary structure. So here let's put married, and married will be the key, and also let's put the value as false. So okay, so now the last item is this married, and its value is false. So let me print this one, print dict, and if I run the command now, you can see that last item is married and its value is false. So now I'm going to pop this last item. So we have to use the pop item method, dict, and here we can have this pop and pop item, and this will remove the last item. So it should remove married key. So after removing, I will print the dictionary again. So the last result should show the dictionary without the married key value pair. Okay, now as expected the results are okay. It doesn't have the married key because we popped the item. So if we pop this again, it will remove one more item that we have recently added. So let me print this again, dict, and after printing this and running the code, I think you should see that the cars on list also got removed from this dictionary. So in this way we can remove certain key value pairs in a dictionary. So you can use pop item to remove the most recently added key. Now you can use pop and pass a key to be okay. Let's also learn one more method that we can use to remove a key value pair. So you can use the keyword delete, and next what you need to call is dict. Let me add a print statement before this one. So print and also dict, and next delete dictionary, and here we need to pass the key. So here I am going to remove the name. So in this way we will remove the name, and I will print this again to see the result. And let me run this one. So here can you see the key called name got removed. Let's also remove one more key. So we will use the delete keyword, and next I will use the dictionary structure, and here I need to provide the name of the key that should be removed. So print and dict. Okay, after doing this one we only have age because we removed the name. So here name is not available, but next we also removed the cars on list. So only thing that remains is the age. So in this way we can use the delete keyword to remove certain uh, keys, and it will clear out the items from the dictionary. And also like we can do one more thing. We can also use the delete keyword to delete a dictionary completely. So first I will print dict, and it should give the results as expected, but next let's delete this dictionary by using the delete keyword, and I am putting dict, and next I will print dict, and this should result in some kind of an error because we already cleared it, but still it just has some reference that it is an object of this class, but it doesn't show any value when we print it for the second time. So in this way we can delete the entire dictionary by using the delete keyword. So I'm also wondering why this also gives some kind of a reference to its class, but I'm not entirely sure why it's happening, but can be undefined. It also says that it can be undefined, but still it shows some reference. I don't know why it's similar to the output of finding the type. So let's also comment this out and see whether something happens. I just wonder, but now as expected it only prints the dictionary using the first print statement. After deleting it we will no longer have a dictionary to be printed. Anyway, as we do not have this thing, I wonder whether this is kind of something to do with the Python version, but still let's see whether we can do a key, let's say name. I'm wondering whether this is possible. After deleting it we will print the dictionary, as well as after this one let's also print dictionary. Okay, and run this again. So okay, it now gives us an error, although it has some kind of a reference. It stopped here from this print statement, but later we cannot do an assignment. I think the object is no longer there, but it just has some reference to this object for some reason, but we cannot do any operations with it. So we can't do anything after we are deleting an object. It has some kind of a reference to the memory, that's all. So anyway, we learned how to delete a dictionary completely. And also there's some method uh, to clear all the key value pairs. So here I am printing the dictionary as expected, we will get the results, but also we can clear all the key value pairs. So here we can use the clear method. So after running the clear method, let me call the dictionary again, and when you call this again and run this one, here you can see that the dictionary is empty. You can further verify this by using the len function, and we will also print the result. So dict, and the length should be 0. So in this way we manage to delete, clear, and do all sorts of operations on this dictionary. So this is a very powerful data structure that can be very handy in your projects. So in another video we will look about how to loop through the dictionaries and perform additional operations on the dictionary. So I think you learned a lot regarding dictionaries. So thank you very much for watching.